Something. Whoop! Oh shit. Ooh, right on the bench. If you're watching this video, you probably have one of these tiny cameras. In this case is the Insta360 Go 3, and I fly drones, so why not put this on my drones? The thing is, I only fly 1S and 2S drones, which are kind of tiny and not that powerful, so I really need to make like a mount or something that solves the weight issue for me while also keeping it safe for the only action camera I have for now. So because of that, I designed this mount to solve my issues, and it will probably solve yours, so stay till the end. I wanted two specific versions. One for the mounting pattern I use on my FC boards, which are AIOs using 25 by 25 millimeter fit, and also one for the GoPro style mount for everything else. So the goal was protecting my camera while also keeping it lightweight enough to fly good. So with my modeling skills, I started working on something that works as an AIO mount, but also as a camera protector. This here were the successful prints. Kinda. The first prototype was actually vertical instead of horizontal. So the camera didn't fit entirely because this part right here is very short, like the gap for the camera at the top. I still tested it with my Mobile 8 and it flew. It was good, but I really wanted to test the horizontal mount. Okay, so it finished the horizontal mount. Holy crap, it's stuck. But this one will have the center of mass a little bit lower, so that will help the quad, I guess. I was actually pretty surprised that the Mobile 8 could withstand 39 grams of the camera plus the 10 grams from the canopy, but it flew good. I mean, it was nice, but as always, I wanted more. This is when I said, okay, let's put it in TPU. 2 hours, 1 minute, that's like 90% infill. So here is the Insta360 camera mount, also being the canopy. This is 2 millimeters thick. And also we have the antenna holder. It has hold pretty well, actually. It's printed in TPU, so it's almost indestructible. The lens probably, depending on where you crash, is gonna break, but that happens. And this is 10 grams, but you have the camera holder, the canopy, and also the antenna holder all in one. You're probably asking yourself, so how does this work? So the way it works is you unscrew the cap, you insert the camera right here, and then what you do is that you screw the lens or whatever, let's say for example an ND filter, and it's tight. It's gonna keep it tight on there. It's not going anywhere anytime soon. So apart from this one, I also have this one right here, which is a standalone for a GoPro, right? So we have the GoPro mount in the same kind of protective case. Let's test this real quick. I hope it doesn't get in a tree or something. Whoop! Oh shit. Ooh, right on the bench. It's still good. So here you have an example of a 2.5 inch drone with the canopy. You see how it works. It's a canopy for a toothpick style configuration, I would say, but you can still use it on a squeeze decks or whatever frame you want. Now we're gonna test this with the 3-inch build. You can also see that 3-inch build right there at the top. You can click it and see it. But now, let's go outside. If you want to download this and test them yourself, I actually made the STLs available on Colts 3D, and I have a bundle with this two, actually three, because there's also one 20-degree version of this one in case you want to fly slower. I also made standalone versions if you want to buy them by separate. It's a way of supporting me and supporting the channel, and I hope you actually have fun with it, and see you in the next video.